primary difference is that if you have a condition in the GI you're trying to treat, you may not need systemic absorption to treat it. And that's something that is unique to the GI, unless you're using topical, obviously. But in terms of endogenous treatment, the GI typically does need something that's not absorbed. And the lack of absorption actually is beneficial. And it's a whole different mindset in how to treat a GI condition from the beginning to the end of the GI tract, quite frankly. There are an increasing number of new modalities to keep medicine or even supplements to be locally acting, not to absorb, or to increase their delivery in the GI tract at the right place. Proactively developed fish oil with in this technology, what we call Optigel DR. It's a soft gel technology that releases enterically, after the stomach in small bowel, and it allows the fish oil, for example. We've used it for other medicines too, like peppermint oil. It's used commonly for GI things like inflammatory bowel and things like that. Irritable bowel, peppermint oil is very common too, but it has to be released in the small bowel for it to be effective, really. And so we have that technology to do so as well. First and foremost, GLP-1s they've got to be one of the most impactful therapies in the medical community, medical treatments. I mean, the impact of obese people losing weight significantly, and not just the weight coming off, but the positive impact on so many comorbidities and overall mortality, quite frankly, is going to be tremendous. So I think we're pretty far away from a GLP coming to OTC space. We're years, if not over a decade. Well, I'm hopeful that the probiotic category will show additional benefits. As we understand the microflora of the GI tract and how that can be beneficial to the overall health of a patient, of a person. Is the GI tract, particularly the bowel, small bowel, large bowel, is growing. There's so much that we have not known over the years in starting to understand better.